today's video, we are gonna be styling up outfits around my Coach Empire Carryall 40 bag. Coach is making a comeback. Hey besties, welcome to Frugal but Chic. My name is Karen. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning bestie, welcome back, girl. So today's video, we are gonna be styling up outfits around my Coach Empire Carryall 40 bag. You see, I already charmed it out. I did a short on my page of everything that can fit in the bag, so please check that out so you can see everything that can fit in there, or maybe I'll also include it here on the screen too so you all can see that as well. But I was like, you know what, I have the bag. Yesterday I took it out for the first spin out and I was like, let's style up some outfits around it. Let's see how many outfits I can create around it. So I think I may end up doing maybe like 4 or 5 looks, but I thought that would be nice for you all to see what looks go with the bag. But the bag is amazing. It's soft. I feel like it's classic. I feel like this is a bag that I will have for the test of time. It's not really a trendy bag. It's trending now because Coach is making a comeback, and I had Coach bags back in the day, but Coach is just such a great bag. But I love this. Like, I'm gonna definitely use this bag for work, my laptop, my iPad, my notebook, but then I'm also gonna use it just when I'm going out. So if this sounds like something that you're really interested in, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I love to chat it up in the comments, and stay tuned. Let's go ahead and style up these looks. Okay, so I'm gonna do something a little different, and I want your feedback and let me know if you like this style of video a little bit better. So instead of me trying on the pieces now and talking it through and showing you the image on the side of the video, I'm actually gonna show you all the pieces that I'm gonna style up. And then at the end, I'm going to show you how the outfits look all together. I thought that would be a nicer way of showing you the pieces so you can look at them on the full screen. It allows you to view the outfits just a little bit longer instead of concentrating on me talking and trying to look at the image. So if you like that style, let me know in the comments. I would just love some feedback. So let me get into the first look. So I am gonna style up this denim jumper from Zara with the Coach bag. This is in a size large. I got it a little oversized so that it can just, I can have some room, flexibility while I'm walking in it. I'm gonna drape this tweed blazer from H&M over it. I just think the look with the blazer over it with the denim, I think this is just gonna look so good. And of course, I'm gonna pop on some sunnies, the accessories gotta come out. And then for shoe, I'm gonna rock it with this mule from Zara with it. So this is gonna be the first look with the Empire Carryall 40 Coach bag. Okay, so the next outfit that I'm gonna be pairing up with the Coach bag is these red faux leather Adidas track pants. Look at these. Well, straight leg at the bottom. Please get into this. Look at how good this looks. Elastic waist. I did get these in a small just because they run a little oversized and they fit perfectly, and I absolutely love them. So I am gonna pair the track pants with, I'm gonna put on probably something like this, a little crop tank top, and then I'm gonna pair it with this off-white Zara blazer. And for shoes, I'm gonna wear my white brogue shoes from Miu Miu. Getting close, you can see the detail of these. They look so good with these track pants. I don't know, it's like these brogue heels kind of give me a little bit of like a masculine version of a shoe, but then I'm pairing it with like a feminine. I'm gonna put on a little crop top and a blazer. Girl, you just wait, and then I'm gonna throw on the little bag. Let me just say something. I get so excited putting pieces together, going into my closet, experimenting, trying new things, figuring out different ways of wearing pieces that I have. It fills me up. It excites me. I love putting these videos together for you all, and I hope that you all enjoy them as much as I do, because I have so much fun putting these things together. So, okay, so that is going to be the second outfit that I'm going to pair with the Coach Empire Carryall bag. Okay, so the next outfit that I'm going to pair with the Empire bag is these plaid pants from Zara. I love that these plaid pants have, do you see, it's probably hard to see on the screen, but all of these different colors. So it's a tan, it's a brown, it's a blue, it's a red. You can pair so many different colors with this. So I love pants like this. They're straight leg at the bottom. I got these in a size medium, and these are newer from Zara, so if they still have them, I'll definitely link them. And this is how the back of the pants look. I'm gonna pair it with this dark denim shirt from H&M. What I love about this top from H&M, you see how it kind of cinches in right here? So I absolutely love that. It just kind of gives it like a little hourglass look. And then for shoes, I am gonna pair them with these mules. These are from Amazon, and these are a dupe of the Alaya shoes. So these Alaya shoes are known for like their heart shape in the front of it, and it has the clear plastic going around, and these are very, very comfortable. So you see with this outfit I'm working on, there's blue in the pants. I'm gonna bring out the denim blue because I feel like denim is a neutral. Bring out the denim blue paired with the pants, and then I'm going to throw on the red to just add a little bit of a punch of color with it. So that is the third outfit that I'm going to be pairing up with my Coach Empire Carryall bag. All right, so the next outfit that I'm going to be pairing up with the bag is this Target leopard cardigan from the Future Collective. Let me come in close so you can see this. Look at this. It looks so good. Buttons going down. I got this in a size medium. This is the back, and it has 2 pockets at the bottom. Absolutely love this. It's super comfortable, versatile. I already thought of so many different ways that I can wear this. I love it. And then I'm going to be pairing it up with this little brown corduroy mini skirt. The mini skirt has little faux pockets in the front. And I do have a little corduroy jacket that goes with this, but I figured, you know, it would pair well with the cardigan. And then for boots, I thought these boots were from Dillard's because I had a pair that was very similar to this from Dillard's, but these are actually old from Zara. These brown boots, what I love about these is they have like that burnished toe, very similar to the Coach bag, how the Coach bag is navy, but it has the burnished like black at the top of it. So absolutely love these. So this will be the 4th outfit that I'm gonna pair up with the Coach Empire Carryall bag. So the next outfit that I am going to be pairing up with the Coach bag, I actually already have it on. So this is a Uniqlo Andy Warhol collaboration jacket that I'm wearing just kind of as a little shirt. I have on my striped Zara jorts, and then for shoes I have on the first Zara mules that I showed you, but again at the end when I show all of the images you'll be able to see it. What I love about this jacket is, number one, I just love the style. I love that I can wear it as a top or I could wear it as a jacket, but I love the back. Look at this. Whew. I just absolutely love it. So these are all of the pieces that I'm going to be styling up with the Coach Empire Carryall bag. Let me know in the comments if you like this style. Let me know which outfit was your fave, and let me know if this Coach bag, if you already have it, and if you do, how you like it, or if this bag is on your wish list. And if it is on your wish list, what color are you hoping to get? All right.
Only one choice now, just to let us be. 'Cause I treasure the way you calm me down, how you set me free. When I thought it was impossible, 'cause I followed the focus before. What's the difference you put to the bone? It compels me to battle my soul. I wanna be the one. 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 Yeah. No more wasting, no more wasting. Just to let us be. 'Cause I treasure the way you calm, how you set me free. When I thought it was impossible, 'cause I followed the focus before.
All right, besties, so we have styled up 5 outfits using the Coach Empire Carryall bag. So I hope you've seen from this video how versatile the bag is. It's like the perfect accessory for so many looks, from like chic to casual to maybe you're going to the office. So let me know in the comments which one was your fave. And before we end this video, I just want to just send like a huge virtual hug to all of my Florida besties, if I have any, or if you have family that was in Florida that was affected by the storm. I hope you all are staying safe. I hope you all have your power back. I hope you all did not incur any damage at all, and if you do, you're trying to figure things out. But just so you know, like, I'm thinking about all of you. All right, so until next week, bye. Oh, and don't forget to let's chat it up in the comments.